Hi everybody, it's Diane from MadeInMaidenNC. Welcome again to my kitchen. As promised, I am going through another recipe that you can serve on Super Bowl Sunday. This recipe is Dianne's Cayenne Buffalo Chicken Dip. So let's see what our ingredients are. We have rotisserie chicken, we have sour cream, we have cheese, cheddar cheese, we have garlic, we have cream cheese, and the secret special ingredient, Dianne's Cayenne, which can be purchased on MadeInMaidenNC.com. So let's get started. We're going to saute some garlic in butter. We're sauteing the garlic. Now we add our chicken. And our buffalo sauce. And the goal is to have this cook down for a couple minutes until it thickens up. And I added the Dianne's Cayenne. And we're going to let that thicken up for about a minute. Once we have the cream cheese melted, it's time to add the sour cream. And just stir until it's combined. Now that it's nicely mixed, put it into an oven-safe dish. I forgot to mention that we preheated the oven to 375. Now we top with our cheddar cheese. Alrighty, the dip just came out of the oven. I'm sure I'm gonna burn my tongue, but hey, no pain, no gain. Wow, that is so really good. For those that have never tried the Dianne's Cayenne, forget about Texas Pete. Pete who? My Dianne's Cayenne, you have the typical taste of the cayenne, plus you have the onion and garlic, so it's a very full-bodied hot sauce. Put that in this chicken dip. Absolutely amazing. Good level of heat, good flavor. If you could please leave a comment under this video with a picture of you with your hot sauce, and we will send you a $3 off code for any web purchase over $20 or more. Also keep in mind, with web orders, anything $75 or more qualifies for free shipping anywhere in the United States. Or if you're local, we can arrange for local pickup or delivery. Again, thanks for spending some time with me in the kitchen, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.